Go to the doctor without going to the doctor. eClinic is a new high-tech healthcare solution.
Iowa Clinic is starting the eClinic program to help patients get easier and faster health care from the convenience of their home or their cubicle at work, so they don't have to make a trek to the urgent care or to the doctor's office if they can't.
If you're a primary care patient of the Iowa Clinic, you can sign up for this program where you can meet through a web-based interface video, meet with a provider to discuss some easier medical questions like urinary tract infections and sinus infections. And then they'll make an assessment of whether, well, maybe you actually need to come in and see your doctor or come to the urgent care if it's something that can't be taken care of over the web-based video. To sign up for the Iowa Clinic's eVisit app and or just the system in general does not cost anything. The insurance companies are not paying for the visits as of yet, so it will be a flat fee for our patients to use this that's not reimbursed from your insurance.
When someone requests an appointment when they're already signed up for the eVisit, you charge your credit card ahead of time. And then you will have a countdown timer how long it's going to take for you to see the provider. So you would have a queue of patients that might be before you. When you're in the queue, you have two ways of knowing it. You'll have a countdown timer to know how long before you see your medical provider. You could also choose to get a text or a phone call when the provider is ready to see you. Is it secure? Is it high-tech? Yes, it is secure and high-tech. It's HIPAA compliant, which means that your information is not shared. It's safe on the web.
Probably your fastest interface is going to be through a computer, but we do have an Apple app. And you can use your cell phones, but that's going to be limited as far as streaming a video and your signal strength. So if you're in a small town in Iowa, your signal strength may not be as good as it would be right here in the metro. So I think to start off, people are going to find that using their computers or their iPads is going to be a lot quicker interface. By all means, if you're not getting better, don't hesitate to get into one of our urgent cares and get seen, because we have good hours for those as well, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday, and we're even open on the weekends, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. So if you're an Iowa Clinic patient or a patient in general that's in the Des Moines metro, we're there to provide a service. And
with the way technology is progressing and with the way insurances are paying healthcare dollars spent, e-visits are going to be probably the highest visits here in the near future. I think Iowa Clinic has geared to meet that needs, meet the demands that are down the road for us in the next 2 to 3 years even. So it all comes down to access. It all comes down to comfort for the patient. It all comes down to getting your provider to give you the care you need.
For more information on eClinic visits, you can visit this address online or head over to the iTunes store to download the app.